him, for the hymnless kids with no religion. Yeah, we keep on sinning, yeah, we keep on singing.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm currently at work, but yeah, so today's video I'm going to show you guys how I created this shadow box look. So if you guys want to see how I create the look, then make sure you guys stay tuned, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down for me down below, and give this video a big thumbs up for me as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so basically I'm in my kitchen right now, but I just put a bag over my head. I know it looked funny as hell, but I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for about an hour, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I will show you guys the results. I do have more videos if you guys are wondering. I did make a video when I dyed my hair blue, and I also dyed when I dyed my hair lavender. I will link those videos down below, and I will also link down below how to remove semi-permanent hair color video that I had made, and it's basically just bleach bathing your hair. But yeah, so I will see you guys soon. Hi guys, so this is what I came out with, obviously because I look so freaking cute. But yeah, so I think it besides my hair being super frizzy, but you know. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I just want to come on here and say thank you guys so much for 280 subscribers. You guys mean so much to me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.